If you are in a school, arena, hospital, or airport, Victaulic has your back. Victaulic is the leading manufacturer of mechanical pipe joining solutions. The 4,000 plus patents and Victaulic's products are designed to be strong enough to move tons of water, oil, or chemicals, yet flexible enough to withstand earthquakes, vibrations, or landslides. If you think Victaulic is just joining two pieces of pipes together, you're only seeing the surface. What happens on this factory floor doesn't stay within these walls. It travels, it becomes the unseen part that keeps us safe, keeps us connected, and withstands the elements when it matters the most.
Victaulic products are used in the Panama Canal, so that's one of the structures that extreme place the Victaulic coupling is working right now is oil rigs. So oil's going through those pipes, high PSIs. So.
But the one that I always think about is the Hoover Dam. I think that's a pretty cool project that Victaulic's a part of.
I would say they've done a lot of bigger projects. One, for example, is Titan Stadium was one. I know we had placed an order right out of this very building for materials that got shipped out to use in Titan Stadium. So I think stuff like that's pretty cool.
In the hospitals, with the fire suppression systems.
When you go to a hospital or you go to a parking lot, you see some of the parts we make in the garage or the old building. Sometimes you feel pride to see those. You know you have something to do with it.
Everywhere I go, even in my house, I see that. So I keep noticing, I keep telling my wife, my kids, this is the product that we do at our buildings.
They don't just manufacture iron couplings, they forge the connections that keep a hospital running, a gym open, and a city breathing. Our world runs on connections. Our world runs on Victaulic, and that's pretty cool.